this is Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and today on this video I am once again talking about dog bites in a specific case involving a dog attack that happened just a couple of days ago, where a young woman was driving down the street and was stopped by a police officer with a canine unit for speeding. The officer went up to the woman's window and asked her if he had her permission to send his canine dog around the car, meaning the dog would sniff for narcotics. And he reported, said yes, which if that's true, you should never do, by the way. You should tell the officer that he does not have permission to search your car or send his dog to your car without a warrant. He had no probable cause whatsoever to get a warrant to do that, so she would have been clear if she had just said no, but he says she didn't say no. She said yes. So he sent his police dog around her car sniffing for narcotics, and the dog got what the police refer to as a hit, meaning he smelled narcotics. This is what the officer reported. The woman didn't report anything because she can't talk, so half her face was chewed off by the dog, who, when he got the hit on the narcotics, apparently leaped through the window and bit through the lady's face, leaving parts of it on the pavement. And the police had to come back later and pick up that part of her face and have it surgically reattached by a doctor. So what are the issues in this case for a lawyer to see? Well, obviously the first issue is, was the police officer negligent in failing to control his animal? And to me the answer to that seems yes, but I mean that's a matter for the lawsuit to unravel, to discover through discovery and through testimony and so forth. But it is incumbent upon that police officer to control his dog, which is naturally trained to be an attack dog, to be aggressive and to attack, especially when he smells narcotics. By the way, there was never any statement whether this lady actually had narcotics in her car or whether she didn't. It's irrelevant, because driving down the street, having your face bit off is no penalty for driving down the street speeding, and it's no penalty for having narcotics. So in that sense, it's irrelevant. Nevertheless, was the officer negligent in failing to control his animal? That seems to be the main issue in the case. You know, the lady's going to suffer some long-term damage, permanent scarring perhaps, psychological damage. So those are some things that you can remember if you ever encounter a situation where a police officer and his dog stop you for speeding and he asks your permission to send his dog around your car. Good luck out there, folks.